Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find button hotspot. So by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So like you can change hotspot's name, here you can also switch it. You can change security protocol, you can change password. In advanced you can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can change its AP band, you can reset its OOB, and you can set up maximum amount of connections. So yeah. And you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.